Mutations. Say what? Hello, I'm a cookie. Inside of every single one of my cookie crumb cells, I have DNA. Inside every one of your cells, you have human DNA. Well, at least I hope it's human. What is DNA? DNA is the recipe book for your body. Each cell makes its own specific recipes out of the recipe book. Eyeball recipes, check. Blood recipes, check. Hair recipes, check. Your cells know which recipe to make. Thank goodness. I know I wouldn't want hair growing out of my eyeballs. So inside your cell you have a nucleus. It's like the brain of the cell. It's where the DNA is stored. The cell copies its recipe down on mRNA and sends that out of the nucleus into the kitchen, a ribosome, where it's made into proteins. See that little orange dude? He's the chef, the RNA. He reads the recipe. He's not a great reader though. 3 letters at a time is all he can do. Poor dude can't read 1 letter, 2 letters, or even 4 letters. Just 3 letters at a time. Usually it works great. tRNA, that dude who's yellow, brings each building block, each ingredient to make protein for the recipe from mRNA. Sugar, flour, eggs, chocolate chips. Ta-da! Perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. Sometime, though, the recipe gets messed up. We call that a mutation. Sometimes you're born with it. We call that inherited. Sometimes it happens later in life. We call that acquired. 1 letter is different. It can either be mRNA wrote it down wrong or the chef reads it wrong. But most of the ingredients are right. This mutation only messes up 1 single ingredient. Sometimes it isn't too bad. White chocolate's still yummy. Sometimes it's really bad. Carrots? Seriously, man? In humans, substitutions can cause problems like sickle cell anemia, where blood cells don't form properly. Another type of mutation is called frame shift. We call it that because it messes up tons of stuff and shifts all the little 3-letter words around. That happens either by insertion or deletion, when you add in extra letters or take a letter away. Those can be really bad. In this case, our poor chef doesn't even have any idea what to make. That is definitely not the recipe for a chocolate chip cookie. In humans, this type of mutation can lead to some forms of cancer and cause many different disorders. There you have it in a nutshell. Insertion, deletion, and substitutions, and then mutations.